Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, and we are now here to offer you a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has classified Amazon as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.09. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 12.44% since we initially recommended purchasing Amazon 44 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.28% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 20% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from approximately 15% to 22%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 14%. Based on our estimations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 12% and 28% over the coming year. This suggests that the future price could fall within the range of $201.69 to $294.94. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline: Amazon stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Wednesday trading session. The Amazon stock price declined by nearly 355 thousandths of a percent on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, moving from $231.01 to $230.19. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.09%, with a daily low of $229.29 and a daily high of $231.80. The stock has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.14% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should align with the stock's movement. On this day, the trading volume dropped by 2 million shares, totaling 32 million shares traded for approximately $7.3 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price is 5.08%, or $12.33, below the 52-week high, and 82.36%, or $1,075.01, below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price hit $1,305.20. Amazon is currently facing intense scrutiny as it approaches its second quarter earnings report, scheduled for the 31st of July, 2025. The tech giant's strong emphasis on artificial intelligence and its cloud service, AWS, are expected to be crucial in determining its financial performance. Analysts predict earnings growth of over 20%, underscoring Amazon's strategic management enhancements and cost-cutting initiatives. However, there are notable discrepancies in sentiment among investors. While Etsy and eBay have reported favorable demand metrics that may indirectly pose challenges to Amazon's market position, one analyst has expressed a distinct lack of interest in Amazon as a viable investment in artificial intelligence, suggesting that there may be more promising opportunities elsewhere in the tech sector. In a proactive response, Amazon has updated its website to block rival AI shopping tools from Google, indicating a defensive strategy aimed at preserving its competitive advantage. Moreover, Amazon's commitment to investing no less than $20 million annually in licensing content from the New York Times for the purpose of AI development highlights its dedication to enhancing its service offerings. As these developments unfold, Short-term stock prices may experience volatility as investors react to the forthcoming earnings announcement and the competitive landscape. In the long run, sustained investments in artificial intelligence and cloud growth could reinforce Amazon's market leadership and potentially elevate stock valuations. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Also, on Monday, the 28th of July, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Amazon an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Amazon an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a market outperform rating with a hold recommendation. Finally, on Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $230.49. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $221.32. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect the short-term outlook. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, July 28, 2025, and to date, the stock has decreased by 1.12%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. On the last trading day, the volume decreased alongside the price, which helps to reduce overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 59 days ago. As we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 42 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 37 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $223.30. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.51 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.09%. Throughout the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.37%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 31st of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.31. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $231.01. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, This could be a significant point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $223.30. If this support level holds, it may serve as a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Jeffrey Bezos, who bought and sold 4,800,655 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 97.857. Overall, insiders purchased 178,735 shares and sold 26,193,280 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $220.79, indicating a decrease of 4.08%. This stock exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that was established 2 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Amazon presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buying opportunity. At its current level, it is best regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting you either hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis, downgrading our recommendation for this stock from a buy to a hold. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 31st of July, we anticipate that Amazon will open higher by approximately 237/10,000ths and begin trading at $230.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.